Okay, let's take a look at the Project Compare feature in Plant 3D. So this is going to allow us to sync projects to an existing project. We're going to go down and we're going to right click on the project that we want to get the changes from or sync to. We're going to take a look at the project setup first so we can see what exactly is in this project. And we're going to go down to the P&ID drawing settings, and we see that there are two tag formats there. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to take a look at the project that we want to change. We'll look in the project setup that it has, and then we'll go ahead and look in the P&ID drawing settings there as well. And we're going to be looking at that same tag to see what we have in this project so that we can add to it by syncing to the other project. So looking in the DWG settings for the P&ID and going into the pipeline group of the class definitions, we see that there is only one tag format there. So now we're going to go ahead and sync so that we can match the tag formats. We'll go ahead, a right click on the project name gets us to Project Compare. We will choose a project to compare. And you must pick on the project XML when you find that project. It's going to do a comparison and then it's going to show you what it finds. So you can go to the left there and you can expand those, and then you can see exactly what there is. When you open this up, then you can see you have a line number difference there. You can go to that green check on the right, and you can also accept those changes as well. So when you hit the little check under Accept All, then you can review the synchronization, and you'll see that everything is synced together. Notice at the bottom, it tells you which one will not be changed and which one will be changed. And then you can choose Sync Now. You'll see that the project sync is successful. So we'll take a look at what changes were actually made there. We'll go back into the project setup. And we're going to go back and look in those same P&ID drawing settings. And we're going to look for that tag information again to see if any changes were made. Opening up the P&ID drawing settings into the class definitions and the pipeline group. And you'll see that there are two tags in the tag format there. We'll switch to the other project. We'll go ahead and take a look at the project setup there. We'll open that same section with the P&ID drawing settings and go to the pipeline group. Under the class definitions, the pipeline group, we'll see under the tag format, you have the same two tag formats there. So that's just evidencing that our project has been synced.